Speaking comes by speaking, reading comes by reading, and writing comes by writing. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, this is me, Muhammad Qaiser Qasmi, and you are watching our YouTube channel. Most welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, today I will tell you about my daily routine. Before starting my daily routine, I request you please subscribe my channel, like the video, and share my videos to others. So friends, first of all, I wake up early in the morning at 4:30 a.m. After that, I go to washroom. Then I brush in my teeth. After that, I make ablution. After that, I offer Fajr Salah. Then I go to school without taking breakfast. And I teach around 85 students till 10 o'clock. After that, I go to my own shop. For your information, I am a businessman also. So I sit in my shop till 1 p.m. After that, I take my bath. After that, I offer Zohar Salah. After that, I take lunch. After that, I go to school again and I stay there till Azan of Asr. After that, I offer Asr Salah. After that, I go to market someday and I stay at home someday. After that, I offer Maghrib Salah. After that, I go to my school again and I take English spoken classes till Azan of Isha. Then I perform Isha Salah. After that, I take my dinner. After that, I go to bed and sleep. It's my daily routine.